Hey guys, and welcome back to the shop. So today we've got a small job to do. We need to recreate this bushing. We don't have to recreate the flat as it's not needed. This goes in one of those old tricycles from the 1970s, the solid metal ones. Kids used to ride like scooters. But he's missing the top bushing, so the handlebars is wobbling around. So I'll try to get you a picture of it installed once it's all done. But we're going to make this, and I found this piece of metal here. It's the right size to make it out of, and this actually came off of a bus. This is the front control arm off of a school bus. I have a friend that works at the school bus garage that gives me scrap metal from time to time. Let's see if we can find one of these inside of this. Alright guys, here's the job done. Here's the original, and here's my duplicate. So we'll get this back out to the owner of the tricycle, and so he can get that thing repaired and get the kids back on the road, so to speak. Haha. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Please comment down below, subscribe if you like what you saw. Thanks for watching.